I'll give a quick demonstration of the workload environments actually running application, in this case, some inferencing application like an Ollama um, inferencing server. We've got our two teams that were deployed previously. Um, I'm connected here to the user panel. You can see Dev Team 1 and Dev Team 2. Both of these teams are subscribed to the same pool. So we see T4 Pool 1, which is in the same region. We can see both of these are accessing T4 Pool 1. And the T4 Pool 1, just as a quick refresher, if we go to the infrastructure, actually to the accelerator pools, we can see that T4 Pool 1 has exactly one GPU device allocated to it. So on this particular demo node, we have two GPU devices, but this particular pool here has one of the GPU devices assigned to it. So as we run these workloads, we'll be able to see the activity on the first GPU device on that host, and I'll run NVTop in the background so you can see that GPU activity as the workloads kick off. So for each of these users, I've connected to from the connection info here. We've got the SSH token that allows us to connect to that environment, and so I'll switch here to my terminal so you can see everything that's going on. Let's clear the screen so we can see everything fresh. So I'm logged in here as the administrator of the server, so I can see all of the GPU activity. So from this point of view, I'll be able to see all of the tasks that are running on that GPU. Now, each of these end users sees a virtual GPU. So each of these two consoles that you see here at the top left and right are connected to an SSH endpoint on a given port. We can see that the first one here is connected to port 32165, and the second one is connected to port 31527. Now, each of these end users sees a GPU device. They see a T4 virtual GPU. Both of them see the full memory capacity of the GPU card. Now, what I'm going to do is run that Ollama tool. This is just a demo script that's going to install the Ollama engine, and it's going to just ping queries to the Ollama server. And we'll be able to see each of these users will load their own Ollama context. Each of them will download their own LLM, and we'll be able to see the activity of the tasks querying in and out as the two processes run on the GPU card. So let's kick that one off. This just takes and the parameters that I'm providing here are the number 20 tells us the number of queries that we want to run in a minute. So this allows us to simulate different sorts of user load against this particular endpoint. And the parameter 0 here just tells it to run in a loop indefinitely. So if I specified a number greater than 0, that would be the total number of queries that we want to submit before before this script will exit. So in this case, we'll see those tasks start to kick off. This one here is loading the language model, and it's pulling that language model. This is all part of the standard Ollama engine. And we'll see both of these start to kick off shortly in parallel. Once they're loaded, we'll see those queries running in real time against the single GPU. So the first terminal, the first subscription is almost loaded and running now. We're just verifying the LLM download. And we can see that this one now will start to query. So we see the NVTop activity starting to kick off now on the first GPU, and we will shortly see the second task loading onto the GPU as well, as that one begins. There we go. There's the second one. We can see that running, and both of these are now being scheduled in and out of the GPU at the same time. And we can see that both of these are effectively running with no impact at all on latency. So our scheduler is doing the right thing in the background. It's figuring out how to schedule these tasks in and out of the card as it needs to execute. So both of these end users are completely unaware of each other, but they're both able to access and run tasks against this GPU card.